Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today I'm taking a look at this 4K dash cam. So this is the Orbit 960. It's from a company called myGEKOgear. And it does have some impressive features, especially the image quality, which I'm going to show after. And so just take a look at some of the things in the back here. So we got the SONY STARVIS sensor, wide angle 140 and 2.7-inch LCD. And also G sensor. It supports up to a 512 gigabyte micro SD, which is good. And you're definitely going to need that because this is going to be recording at 4K. And also it does have a 320 milliamp battery as well. So if you're going to go ahead and park somewhere, it will kind of record as soon as you get back to the car, turn on the engine, it will go back to charging mode again. And also we do have the motion detection, driver fatigue warning, WDR, so wide dynamic range, GPS logging, which works, and parking mode, Wi-Fi app control, and light reminder. So that's quite a few features in there. So let's go right ahead and see what we have inside. Okay, so looking at what we have inside the actual dash cam, of course, looks premium quality actually. So it does have the GPS up here. So taking a look at the front here, we do have a nice 140 wide degrees lens here, which works out pretty well. And just looking on the other side here, it is not touchscreen, so you do have the buttons on the sides here. So whenever you want to access or stop anything or just go to the settings, there's no touchscreen. Looking at the options to mount the unit itself, we do have two of them. I like the suction cup here, and it's also like sticky here, which is nice. It doesn't leave like any sticky residue when you want to remove it or anything like that. So I tend to go with this part here, the suction cup. And if you want to just put the double-sided tape, you also have that option too. And we do have a nice long cable and the charging adapter here as well. So looking at some footage here, I was able to take, you can definitely see the trees here look very clear. So when I'm looking at this dash camera, the quality, it's almost like GoPro quality actually. Like you can definitely see it looks very nice and clear during daytime. And let's go ahead and look at some other footage here. And you can definitely see the signs, plates. You're able to clearly see the letters, which is very good. So let's go ahead and view some footage now, and you can make up your own mind if it does look good or not. So I have some daytime and nighttime footage. So let's go right ahead and take a look at that. So my final thoughts on this 960 dash cam here. It does a really good job, and when you're looking at the price point, it's not that high compared to other 4K cameras, but it does deliver a very good quality, as you saw there. Even at nighttime, it does a good job there as well. You're not really able to see like license plates at nighttime, things like that, but during daytime it looks very, very good. The only options which I wish this had was like touchscreen. It would have been better to access the settings and everything like that. But other than that, everything looks good and it just works well. So when we're looking at the features like the reminder to turn your headlights on, things like that, it works very well. I tried it on and it tells you like you forgot your headlights off, so it tells you to turn them on. So the features like that work well. Also the parking mode does work well too, because it does have that built-in battery, which is good. It's obviously not gonna hold on for long, so if you're going to a store, coming back, it does work that way, but if you're leaving it for a long time, it will drain out pretty quickly. But the overall recording quality is actually really good. As you saw there, it does a flawless job there. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button for more videos like this. I will see you guys next time.